Hey guys, in today's video, I want to follow up on my earlier video testing out ChatGPT's VBA coding ability. So this time, I'm going to use Excel, and it will be a little trickier with using an existing template, but still relatively easy though. So let me just set it up. I want to copy my daily attendance list. So in this case, I have one guy attending my course, and I want to paste it into a record workbook. So this is another workbook, and it should paste at the bottom of the last used row. Uh, yeah, and then I want to go back and delete the daily attendance so I can use it for the next day, but keep the header row. So it sounds simple, but let's see if ChatGPT can get this scenario done. Okay, so let's get to it. ChatGPT. Okay, please create a. So we want a VBA script that will copy data from uh, this workbook um, into and paste it into another workbook called record. Uh, yeah. So beyond that, the sheet name will be record as well. And then, so some other things it should check if the record workbook is open, and if not, open it. What else should it do? It should also paste the copied data after the last used row in the record worksheet, right? Yeah. And then yeah, maybe we can skip the saving so we can see saving and closing. So finally clear the attendance worksheet, but keep the header row. Uh, okay, so sounds simple enough. Let's see. An error occurred. So yeah, sometimes that happens. Just need to refresh, and yeah, let's go. Okay. Yeah, uh looks about right in terms of the syntax and general, but we do need to make some modifications. Let's see. Okay, so ChatGPT mentions some assumptions. Okay, so let's please make the copy range dynamic. What else is wrong? Yeah, that's the biggest. Yeah, use end. Okay, that's right. What? Okay, so some. I didn't specify the column to copy, but yeah, I guess copying onto column D is fine. Okay, so let's copy the code. So we want to go to attendance, then here, Visual Basic Editor. So some things we do need to modify. It should be record.xlsx. So the full path here should be C drive/demos. Should be xlsx. Okay. So, okay, set. And then the worksheet, is it attendance? Yeah, it's attendance to record. Okay, so looks good. Let's give it a go and see whether the code works. Okay, so it copied something. Okay, so Bob is here. Good. Save that. And as you can see, it did delete as required. So let's now try it again. Equals today, then Bob and Sandy. Okay. So what we expect is, or what we want rather, is these two rows to be copied from attendance, and it should go over here. So let's give that a go. Just come here, play. Okay, so as you can see, there's a slight problem. It overrode the initial Bob value that we have. Did it clear? Okay, so it cleared correctly. So as you can see, yeah, ChatGPT does give pretty good uh, a pretty good first attempt. Some modifications are needed. There are some bugs in the code, but this gives a much better starting point for users than the recorder, because the recorder, if you're not sure about the syntax on opening a workbook, if you were to try that with the recorder, you'll see that it doesn't give you this output of opening the workbook and setting uh, workbook object. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Hope you guys got some ideas from this for your VBA projects. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.